What's good? Alright, so I'm gonna be talking about these two clippers, the Wahl cordless magic clip and the Slimline Pro Li. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. I'm not no professional barber, but trying it out. I'm alright. Crazy. So I got the cordless one. We're in 2020. Let's see what we got. It looks pretty neat. Wow. Take off the guard. Okay, not bad. Let's turn it on, see how it sounds. Pretty good. Sound is good, not bad. Comes with a half. With 1.5. Pretty neat, not bad. Cordless. The wire. You could use it with it as well if it actually dies, so that's pretty cool. Hangs on pretty tight. Not bad. Oil. Came with a nice comb. Hold up, I forgot. Let's bring it back. Under the tray comes more of the guards, 1 through 8. Looks durable, good, clean. You see, number 5. Now let's talk about the Slimline Pro Li, the Andis cordless trimmer. So I went with the trimmer to be cordless as well, because like I said, we're in 2020. Let's switch it up, and I wanted to try it out. So I heard this one's pretty good. It looks like it comes also with a nice document enclosed for it. If you want to register your trimmer, you could get some geared. Right here we have the charging station. Pretty clean. Wires. Not bad. Came with some guards on top of that too. Let's get it. I like it. I like it. I won't be really using the guards, but just in case. Not bad. Looks good. Come with a couple. Yep. Looks adorable. Doesn't look like cheap plastic. So that's a plus. Came with more oil. Andis always hook it up with that. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is just to lubricate the trimmers. The T-blade.
What we've been waiting for. Look at this baby.
Okay, not bad. And it comes charged already. Let's get it. Light. Feels light, not heavy. Charging, not bad. Sounds quiet. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you guys think. It was just a quick review. I ain't no professional barber, but these are the clippers that I like. And make sure to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, follow the guy, man. Let's see what I could come up here with.